really nice. I just wanted to emphasize how you're using your fulcrum wrist and fingers when you play those grace notes.
Yeah, it's a mixture.
Which is what makes them so subtle.
Yeah.
If you were to play both of them with your wrist, they would be much louder, obviously.
Absolutely.
And too loud, I think.
Sometimes I just love to play the ghost notes just to make one stroke and let them really bounce, but it depends on the feel of the song you're playing. So if it has to have like a wacky feel, then I sometimes tend to just
crush into it and play grace notes. Play like a roll, crush rolls, for sure.
But yeah, my main thing is really to have a controlled sticking.
Right, and it's the subtle things that I think makes the overall package of why what you play sounds so good. As much as that's a little thing, always using fingers or not using fingers, but that all adds up to the dynamics that you have and makes it really, really musical.
Yeah, thank you.
So let's get into the what you were going to do a little bit here with the double paradiddle. You played it at the end of the last Secrets of the Pros.
Yeah,
but,
here we go.
They got single paradiddles and double paradiddles we talked about a little bit, applying to the drums. Without consciously thinking of one or the other, you want to play us out here a little bit in this lesson by just any combination you want of those, and then guys will see how they can apply that to the drum set. I know it's hard to do because you want to go off and do a million other things at the same time, but if I could refine you to that just for a second, that would be cool.
Absolutely. Here we go. Let's see what I come up with.
Very, very nice.